Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm back with a new video with lesson 3 noun. Here we'll discuss about noun in a very simple and easier way. So here we go. Noun. Definition of noun. A noun is a word that name a person, place, thing or idea. To make it more clear, we'll go for some of the example. So here we go. Place, mountain, Agra, Paris are some of the example of place. Person, man, Mr. John, doctor are some of the example of person. Thing, book, pen, car are some of the example of thing. Idea. Love, intelligence, justice are some of the example of idea.